Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 14.1 question number 4. Draw any circle and mark points A, B, C such that A is on the circle, B is in the interior of the circle and C is in the exterior of the circle. Let us first draw a circle. Here we draw a circle, right? Now you have to mark points A is on the circle. On the circle, therefore, we are taking a point A on the circle. Therefore, on the circumference of the circle, we take a point like this and mark as A. A is on the circle, right? B is in the interior of the circle, right? We take another point, suppose this one, and mark it as B, and this is on the interior of the circle. C is in the exterior of the circle. If I take another point here, C, this is in the exterior of the circle, right? We are repeating once again. Draw any circle and mark points A, B, C such that A is on the circle. We draw a circle and we take a point on the circumference of the circle. Therefore, it is A is on the circle, right? B is in the interior of the circle. Within the circumference, we have taken one point B, that is in the interior of the circle, and C is in the exterior of the circle. Outside this circumference, we have taken another point, that is C, and this is in the exterior of the circle. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.